Hello there, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Unbig My Back, we are back at the gym, strong as ever, and we're using Apple Fitness. Today, we are working out with Coach Kyle, and this is a lower body 20 minutes workout.
All right, team. What's happening, Coach Kyle?
I usually burn about 115 to 120 calories, and I always wonder why, because in this workout, I'm always exhausted and I take breaks in between, which is okay because I always intend to finish the workout. There's lots of lunges and squats in this workout, and we are starting with stretches, of course, and warm ups. Those high knees jumping, they are killer. But I'm so proud of myself because just like maybe 2, 3, 4 months ago, I would not have been able to do this. So I'm so proud of myself, and I'm using 15 pounds in this workout. I'm also so proud of myself for that because I just moved up. The week before, I was only using 12.5 pounds, but I'm so proud that I'm able to like sustain a 15 pound on both hands workout for this workout and henceforth, and hopefully I can get to 20 and 25. Okay, no more talking. Let's get into the workout.
Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
round is done. I finished with a heart rate of 177, and we're going to repeat all these 5 moves again from the top to number 5. Let's go. And just like that, the second round is done. We finished strong with a heart rate of 180. You know the drill. On to the third round, third and final round. just like that, we have finished the whole workout. If you have watched this far, you're my guy. We finished strong with a heart rate of 185, a whooping 185, and burnt 110 calories in this workout. Should be more based on how exhausted I was. So if you watch this far, subscribe because I'll be posting more of these videos, and leave me a heart in the comment section. Also leave me an encouragement. Tell me which of these moves was your favorite. Personally, my favorite was the lateral lunges, and this is because I modified it to be more fun for me. I could do that all day, and I think I saw that move probably on TikTok. The original move is a little bit exhausting, but I mean, I hit the mark with this one. So a little stretches after, so that, like, we stretch our muscles back. And as you can see, I am sweating like nobody's business. This was a workout. I really enjoy Coach Kyle's workouts because it feels intense, even though the calories burned do not reflect, or maybe that's how it actually reflects. I thought I would be burning like 300 calories, but it's only 110 calories that I burned. What you did not see in this workout is how many breaks I took. So this workout is 20 minutes, but I took 30 minutes to finish this workout, and this is a very, like, on a disciplined level, because usually I'll take like maybe even 35, but I'm so glad that I was able to finish this workout with you guys. Tune in for more workouts. Thank you so much. Stay subscribed, share with your loved ones, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you.